crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome to day 12 of my unboxing and creating series, where I am unboxing an advent calendar from Cora Crea crafts and attempting to use whatever's in the package to create something for a junk journal. If you've been here before, I'd like to welcome you back, and if this is your first time, there is a playlist in the description box where you can go back and see all the past unboxings and creatings that I've done already, and I will be continuing this series till December 24th. So let's get on to opening day 12. I think I am about to get caught up on videos that I've been a little behind on. Get this and see if I can open this without tearing the package. I love this time of year, but it can get a little stressful and a little busy. So I hope everybody's having a good stress-free holiday. See what we've got here. Day 12 is a little smaller package than yesterday. Yesterday was a big package and it was a beautiful journal. Okay, this looks very interesting. We've got a tin here. Let's take it out of the package so you can see it a little better. I love little tin boxes. Fantasy Windows 34 clear stickers. This is beautiful. Okay, got the little box that we could possibly create with later. And then we've got these beautiful stickers. I'm gonna take some of this stuff off my desk so I can lay these stickers out and hopefully you can see them. These are lovely. I love the colors. Seeing if there's any repeats. Different sizes. Try to keep all this in frame for you. So far, no repeats. Do have, nope, I thought we had some repeat in design, but it is a different design. Some are very similar. I feel like I'm dealing cards here. Still see these, and it doesn't look like we have any. Actually, that one repeats. That one repeats. And is that the only repeat we have? This one is the same but a different size. This one is the same and a different size. The same here. And this is, I feel like I'm playing the matching game. So we can kind of see what we've got here. That one is a little different. It's very similar, but it has like a cluster in the background, but I am going to put that together. This one, same, different size. I think that might be about it as far as repeats. Nope. Again, I'm still playing that matching game. Loved that game as a child. I think that's what we've got. Okay, these are beautiful stickers, beautiful window that could lead to a wonderful fantasy type layout. So I'm going to grab some supplies and we'll come back and see what we can create. One of the things I'm trying to do with this Advent is to challenge myself to remember to break out things that I don't often use, colors that sometimes get left on my shelf, supplies that get left on my shelf, and just really work through the stash that I have. I think I'm going to try to create some altered index cards, and I grabbed a few items that I've got in a box. Book pages, envelopes, any little odds and ends that I haven't used just go in this little box. I also have some journal pages from an old journal that my daughter only partially used, so we pulled out some of the pages that I thought had some great images on them. And so I'm going to add some music here and see what we can create. A lot of fun with day 12's project. I created some daily, almost like affirmation or inspiration altered index cards. I used the pages from my daughter's old journal. It was a Hero Quest journal that she didn't use in the journal, so I cut out things out of that journal that I really liked, and I did a couple of different background types. I did just some ink blending, and then on the front I did some ink blending with some water splatters and then dried that. On this one I did the smoosh technique where you add the ink to a surface and then the water, and then just put your paper or your material down in that and then let it dry. It gives a great watercolor effect on that one. Here I did some more ink blending and then used just the mica spray in the different colors to get the splattered effect there. But for the cards, I started out with the one that says My Quest, Seize the Day. This gives you like 3 options of what 3 things you want to tackle that day. And then I used the window sticker here on the side. I did some direct ink pad to paper technique around here to show you don't actually have to have a blender brush or one of the blender daubers to create that ink effect. You can get that with an ink pad all by itself. This one, I did today's threat. What might keep me from achieving the things that I wanted to do today? And then I added the window sticker down here. I cut off the edge of the window sticker that was coming off the edge, put it down here to anchor the number 12 sticker to show me that this was day 12's project. And then for the last one, it was today's allies. What things might help me to be able to achieve the things I wanted to do today. I did again the direct to ink pad to paper technique around this. Did the splatters and then added my window sticker in the background. This window sticker was a little longer and a lot of it was going to go behind this torn paper that I had down here. So I went ahead and cut that off, put it back in my container so that I could possibly use that later. I hated to waste that. So these are the 3 things I created with today's items. I also went and just did some, where I was cleaning up my ink surface, I went ahead and inked some old book page to go back into my stack of items that I used to create with. So I was really pleased with what I could get out of today's project. So I hope y'all are liking this. Again, I will have videos until December 24th opening these boxes daily. And come join my Facebook group. I'd love to see what you're creating. This has also given me a great idea for how I think I want to set up my 2025 planner. So be sure to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I put up any new content. And in the spirit of Christmas here in the attic, I'll leave y'all with my beverage of the day, which was an Italian roast blend that was in my coffee advent. And let's see what chocolate we have today for day 12. The chocolate today is the almond. So I'm going to sit back, enjoy my coffee and my chocolate, and until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.